Hello everyone, welcome to PP Learning Academy. I am Vijayant Kumar and today we are going to talk about a big shock India has received from none other than Donald Trump. Now the Trump strategy is actually very simple. Sometimes his foreign minister or official will suddenly say India is a great, PM Modi is a great, happy birthday Modi ji. But just after a few hours, Trump takes a step that directly goes against India's interest. We have already seen that Trump has imposed 50% tariff on India. And now one more shock. The special waiver for Chahawar port, which India got in 2018, has been cancelled by the USA. This decision puts the entire Chahawar project under very risk. So the big question, why is Chahawar port so important for India? The answer is simple, because the Pakistan never gives India land access to Afghanistan or Central Asia. Chahawar is the only gateway that connects India with Afghanistan and further to Russia and Central Asia. India has been interested in this project since 2003 during PM Atal Bihari Vajpayee time. In 2016, India, Iran, and Afghanistan signed a territorial agreement, and in 2017, the first shipment from India reached Afghanistan through Chahawar. For the first time, India's long-term dream became reality. But problems started when Iran continued its nuclear program and the US imposed heavily sanctions. Then in 2015, during Barack Obama tenure, the Iran nuclear deal give some relief, and India again hoped to move forward. In 2018, Trump reimposed the sanctions on India but give India a special waiver for Chahawar. That's why India could continue investing. In fact, in 2024, India signed a 10-year agreement with Iran for full operational control of the port. But now Trump is back in power, and this time he is putting Israel interest first. And we all know Israel wants Iran to be completely neutralized. The US has announced the maximum pressure policy on Iran, and under this, even Chahawar operates may face sanctions. This means that even Indian officials working on this project could be under threat. At the same time, Trump is planning something even bigger. He wants the US to regain control of Begum Air Base in Afghanistan. For this, America needs Pakistan's support. That's why suddenly US Pakistan ties are improving again. On top of that, Pakistan and Saudi Arabia have signed a defense pact where Pakistani soldiers will be deployed for a Saudi security and maybe fight the Houthi rebel in Yemen. This means Pakistan army will be extensively used in West Asia. Now think about the long-term impact for India. This is bad news because the US wants to block India route to Russia and Central Asia through Iran. Instead that they want India to rely on IMEC, India Middle East Europe Economic Corridor. So overall, these new developments create a tough and challenging situation for India. And now a quick cues for you all. In the Global Innovation Index 2025, what is India rank in this year? Option A 150, option B 38, option C 100, option D 50. Type your answer in the comments and let's see how many you get it right. So friends, this was today update. If you found this video useful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to PP Learning Academy. See you in the next session with another important global update. Until then, stay informed, stay ahead.